Will I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you?
Let's have a dream which isn't under control, where something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. And then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
Zusammen. Ich freue mich megamäßig mit euch hier zu sein und darauf trinke ich jetzt mit euch. Prost!
What would you like to do if money were no object? How would you really enjoy spending your life?